We can solve problem number 12 using long division or synthetic division. Let's take a look at long division first. We have our problem set up, and our first job is to determine what I can multiply this x and x plus 3 by to get the first term of our radicand. So x times what gives me x to the third? That would be x squared. Now I'll take this x squared and multiply it by both terms of that binomial, so x squared times x and x squared times 3. Now we will subtract. Be careful with your signs. This cancels. This is negative 6x squared. Bring down your next term of negative 10x. Now we have to decide what we can multiply x by in this binomial x plus 3 to get to negative 6x squared. That would be negative 6x. Again, just go through the process where we multiply this negative 6 by both terms of this binomial. We get negative 6x squared minus 18x. Now we will subtract. Again, be careful with your signs. And this is 8x. Go ahead and bring down your plus 24. Now we have to determine what we can multiply this x in the x plus 3 by to get to 8x. So that is plus 8. So again, go through the process, multiply 8 by both terms of that binomial. So that's 8x plus 24. We will now subtract, and we have a remainder of 0. So our answer is x squared minus 6x plus 8. Now we could do this using synthetic division. Synthetic division just uses the coefficient. So the coefficient of x cubed is 1. The coefficient of negative 3x squared is negative 3. The coefficient of negative 10x is negative 10. And our constant is 24. We will set up the x plus 3 using what I call a batter's box. And remember, we need to do the opposite. So it would be a minus 3 because that is our 0. All right, we're going to bring down this 1. Now we are going to multiply. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. In synthetic division, we will now add negative 3 plus negative 3 to get negative 6. We'll go through the same process, negative 3 times negative 6, and put that up here. That's 18. Now we will add and get 8. Same process, negative 3 times 8, put that up here. That's negative 24. And now we add, and this is 0. So we look at our variables that we need to put back into our expression. And remember, this represented 1x cubed. So this one down here will be 1 power or degree less than that. So it will be 1x squared minus 6x plus 8. And this is our remainder, which is 0. So we end up with the same expression no matter if we use long division or synthetic division.